Unbox the product from this package, use a cutter or knife and be careful not to cut the product inside. So here you have 6 screws set, 2 dowels, 2 legs, 1 leg support, 1 tabletop, 1 hexagon key. First, bolt the leg to the tabletop. And screw using the hexagon key to these 2 holes one by one. Make sure when you tighten this first screw, don't screw it too tightly. After you screw the second hole, then you can tighten all of them. Next, insert the leg support to this part of the leg. And then, bolt the screw using the hexagon key. Finally, do the same step for the other leg. Bolt the screw one by one. Again, make sure to not tighten it first. After the first are bolted, then you can tighten them. Voila! Your product are ready to be used.